Hey everybody, welcome back to Crapshoot Creations. Today we're going to be doing tie-dye candles. So you don't want to miss it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Welcome back everybody, Crapshoot Creations. Today we're going to be doing the tie-dye candles. What you're first going to need is a candle. We made these a few months ago. This one's Caribbean teak wood. Oh, it smells so delicious. So you're gonna need a candle. With a nice, this is an 8-ounce jar we made. We usually sell these at $8. Two for 15, 16, whatever you like, whatever you want. But we're gonna tie dye them up today, and what we're gonna need is the candle. And we're gonna use from Candle Science some block dyes. Basically, you can go to Candle Science and you can get a variety sample pack of the different colors. So you don't have to just buy one color. I think it was like $10. Anyway, we're going to take the block dyes, we're going to chop it up into small little pieces. And we're going to add that to our candle. We're going to add that to our candle. We're going to need something to poke it, and I'll demonstrate this a little bit farther in the video. And then we need a Lazy Susan to spin our candle around. What you want to watch for this is make sure it's heat proof, fireproof. We use this Lazy Susan we got from somewheres, and we actually got an old plate from a microwave. So it's heat absorbent, it ain't gonna burn you up. And then obviously, you need a heat gun. You know, marky temperature so you can change the temperature. And basically what we're gonna do is add the dye to the candle, heat up the candle, and we're gonna tie dye. So check this out. Here we go. So we got our candle here, and what we have here, this used to be a stake for a tent to hold down a tent. But we're going to use this, and what I was talking about before with the glass, you want a flat edge, because we're going to jab it with a hole, go down the edge of the glass. I don't know if you can see that, but we're going to put a hole right in there. We're going to do one color. We'll put a hole on this side, make sure it's nice. See the two holes down the edge of the glass. If you wanted to put 4 colors, you could put 4 holes in there. Then down over here, we got our block dye chopped up. We got yellow, blue, green, and red. For this candle, we're going to use green. So basically, you know, you stuck it in there in the wax. The wax is on the tip of this. Just use that to pick up your dye. Just jab the dye down in the hole. Do this about 3 times. You know, get it down on the edge. You know, and add whatever color. If you wanted to put another color on this side, we could do that. Look, we'll put some yellow. Put it here, so it'll be green and yellow. So just take it and jab it down the hole. Get it in there on the side. Then after that, what you're going to do is get your heat gun going. Start heating up your glass, your candle. And as you heat it up, you'll see right down here, the channel you made that you filled up with the dye, it's going to start spreading once you hit it with the heat. You don't want to get it all the way hot and bubbly, burn off the fragrance. Just hit it, it'll start spreading, probably on a medium-high level. 2 inches away. Start seeing the spread now. Come up and hit the top a little bit. Keep it smooth from where you made the holes. Don't get too close. And just let it keep spreading out. Use the lazy shoes in the turn so you don't have to touch the glass. The glass ain't that hot right now, but it will be hot. See it spreading right there? You hit it down from the bottom, it starts reacting faster. I don't know if you can see it juggling around in there. See this side? Like I said, a little bit of heat is good. You don't want to put a lot. See how it's spinning?